From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, you know, the pollen count has been up high for the past week, even longer than that. And as you can see, there's finally a time that I can tell you that it's going to start coming down. I was thinking maybe on Friday, but it's not going to act too quickly. But by the time we get into Saturday, with all this rain on Friday, later in the afternoon, it could bring it down a little bit, and some of the cooler temperatures we're expecting. So that's the good part of it. That's what it's doing there. Now, let's talk about temperatures over the northwest, because we have some cooler conditions out here to the west. As you can see, it was 70 degrees today in Redding, California, and we're anticipating some of the clouds and showers to move up from the south, and that's going to be dropping our temperature. I just talk about some of these showers right now. Some are just showing up, as you notice, just here to our south, especially moving up into central sections of Utah and Nevada, right along through here. It's all off this low that's off the California coast. That low is going to move in just a bit to the northeast, and as we get more in the direct contact of it, that's going to be bringing in some of the rain showers on Friday. Now, if it continues the way we feel it will be, it has the possibility of some pretty heavy rain on Friday, just to let you know. That's why the temperature is being brought down to about 55 degrees for the high. If you look at the futurecast, let's kind of put the timing together. First of all, very early into tomorrow morning, there could be a light shower that just kind of grazes or moves by. So there's not much to tomorrow except for some breezy weather that could begin. Now, later in the evening, you could be looking at very late or early Friday morning, a chance of a thunderstorm or some rain that could be moving through the area there. That's just the beginning. Watch how it comes together. There it is. So there's some of your heavy rain showers there, right down the interstate. So if you're going to be traveling, keep that in mind. And that's going to be in the morning on Friday, and this is quite a bit of that heavy rain. And if you watch it, it lingers around, there it is, and then it finally moves to the north. So this is going to be on Saturday, as you can see, even a very early Saturday morning. So we've got a period there of about 24 hours of some pretty soaking rain that could be moving through the area as it starts to clear out a little bit on Saturday and Sunday, just in time for the weekend, but a chance of some scattered showers. Now, right now I'm going to show you what's anticipated as I run this through tomorrow morning. There's not a lot of rain into Thursday. As you can see, there's a possibility of some light amounts in spots. But then as we get into Friday, here we go, into early Friday morning. Now watch this. Some of these numbers really come up high. The models have been kind of jumping around on this. As you look at Caldwell and Napa with 1 inch of rain, that's likely a little bit too high, but we're just watching it closely. But it is showing at least a ½ inch, maybe a little bit more. Even some rain showers, pretty heavy rain down in the Twin Falls area, so just be watching for that. So tomorrow, our temperatures are going to be coming down a bit in some spots. As you look at some of the Central Mountains, temperatures will be in the mid-50s. Right around the mid to upper 50s for the western mountains. Down here through valley locations, high temperatures tomorrow could be right around 70 degrees. So that's still a drop, about almost 15 degrees from what we had today. So if you look at this for the weekend, look for the rain showers, especially on Friday, maybe even starting late Thursday night with a thunderstorm. As you look at Saturday and Sunday, there are some scattered showers. Our temperatures are still cooler, but wait a minute, it starts warming up as you get to next Wednesday, but some of those showers could still hang around till next Monday or Tuesday. We're back with more in just a moment.